Public Service, Human Capital Development and Special Programs Cabinet Secretary Geoffrey Ruku has called for the immediate implementation of suspension letters issued to 3 senior National Youth Services managers, citing the need to uphold accountability and restore discipline within the institution. Speaking during the official handover ceremony of the NYS Council Chair at the NYS headquarters in Ruaraka, CS Ruku emphasized that any public officer unwilling to embrace good governance and responsible service delivery should step aside. At the same time, Ruku urged the NYS Council to expedite efforts to commercialize the institution as they aim to recruit and train 100,000 youth annually by 2027.
Yesterday, I received letters of suspension of some of the senior managers or managers in National Youth Service. I don't want to see more such letters. So let's do what is right. And those who are here and they are senior in management and you feel that you can't do what is right, please just add in the resignation letter and you can go and do other things. We have to do what is right. We have to get it right in terms of serving this nation. So I'm saying this with a lot of heavy heart. So those who, the letters which I received from another institution must be implemented.
And that story takes us to our second commercial break right here on News Desk. But when we come back, Kevin Nyakundi with the business news.